Hi guys, and welcome to TechFurb. Very quick announcement video. I'm going to be doing a live stream in about a couple of hours, maybe an hour or two once this goes up. I was actually originally doing a video on this guy over here. I'll flip the camera around so I can see. Yeah, that guy there. Unfortunately, the mainboard blew up in it, so yeah, that video is out. But I thought instead of, just giving up, moving on to some other content, I thought, hey, this case is it's ATX spec, takes an ATX power supply, a couple of hard drives, all that stuff. But more curiously, it's a HP. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that HP and like the case, and we're going to put my normal build in that PC. So RGB, all that good stuff. The Ryzen 7, the Ryzen 7 1700. We're actually not going to put in the RX 480. We're going to go all the way, and we're going to put in where is my graphics card? We're going to put in this guy, GTX 1080. So I hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. Coming up soon.